I got stuck. Yo, that shit looks clean. Quiet and sheesh, this thing still looks good. And here's a view of that rear. Sheesh, super aggressive. Yo, this thing sounds like crazy also. Yo, what's up guys? It's kind of early in the morning. It's about 10:13. That's kind of early enough. So I'm gonna go grab myself some coffee, or maybe something close to coffee that could energize me, because I got a long day ahead of me. So anyways, I'm just bringing you guys with me. Also guys, just real quick, if you guys haven't checked out the latest video, make sure you guys check that latest video if you haven't done so yet, because yo, it was a pretty sweaty race. Anyways guys, we are off to grab myself some coffee. And yeah guys, it's time to go grab some coffee. But obviously after we grab some gas first, because for some reason, oh, you better focus. You better focus, all right? Bro. Anyways, for some reason, right, this car eats a lot of gas, right? And it might be because it is a V8, right? And I might always drive it in Sports Plus. But anyways guys, we gotta get some gas, and after that we are on the road for some coffee. Hey. Guys, we are at the gas station, but yo guys, I gotta show you something. So basically, right, you guys know like how in the past, like I've been recording my POVs and it's been kind of blurry, and it's been because of this. You can't really see it, but like that's like kind of okay, it's really hard to see, but pretty much there's a scuff on this, right? And I never thought about actually using the other camera. Like I never even tried to see if I could even use the other side to film, because it, as you guys can see, there's two cameras. So I just discovered I could film my POVs with the other camera. This side is perfectly fine. Well, besides the case, it has a crack. But like, I'm gonna take off the case, and yeah, we might have a clear ass POV today. Anyways guys, we are at the gas station. Time to sacrifice my life savings. Damn it. Not again. Oh man. All right guys, sometimes this is the problem of having a V8, right? You're at the gas station often, but the cool thing about this car is I don't have to be at the gas station often. I just choose to be in Sport Plus every time. So it's kind of my problem. But anyways, oh shit. I'm skipping a few steps here. I gotta open the gas tank first. So. This thing's quiet. Alright, cool. Just like that. I'm not on E85 today. Oh, should I get on E85? Nah. Because then that means I'm gonna have to drive all the way across town for the E85 station. And that's kind of far, and I don't feel like doing that. Because it's actually been a while since I've been on like a full E40 in this car, so it'll be kind of cool to feel that power, but that's all good. I don't think I'm gonna race anyone, you know, or have any runs. Unless I encounter a scat pack, a C63, a E50, maybe a Q60. I don't know, I'm just chatting. Oh shit, I'm not trying to fill this tank up either. I might just do 25. 25, yeah. I like the number 25. All right, guys, you guys will not believe this. What the fuck sounds like that? But anyways, guys, there's a reason why I do have my 2 set out, and it's because after I was done getting gas, right, I went to go start the car, and guess what happened? Nothing happened. And shit, I kind of got scared. I was like, yo, I literally cannot tow this car being this slow to the floor, right? So like I was kind of panicking, but I was like, hold on, I don't think it's my alternator, because it sits in the garage for like weeks without me driving it unless I'm filming. So I was like, probably not the alternator, because it started right up, right? Then I was like, maybe it was the battery, because I remember in the last video, right, I was kind of messing with the battery, right? And literally the car told me the battery was kind of loose. So what's happening right now is I'm tightening this shit back, you know, as tight as I can. Oh shit, yo, people are like arguing across me. Oh my gosh. But anyways, guys, shit, it's my luck. I gotta put this camera down somewhere. Anyways, guys, I tightened the battery, and I kind of suspect it's the battery. So yeah, fingers crossed. It starts right up. Oh my gosh, yo, calling a tow truck is like one of my worst fears for this car. unless I'm on air suspension. But yeah. Anyways, guys, time to get our coffee. I'm actually pretty excited for this quality of video. I never knew I could use the other camera. Like, I literally thought the other camera was for, like, I don't know, something else. But I never knew I could just flip it. What? This is a thing? Yo, this is a game changer. What? This thing looks so crisp. I'm gonna still fix the other camera, but yeah. Anyways, we got some traffic. I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we are out of the traffic. I'm gonna be honest, I do see a BMW. I think it's an M3, but I think it's the older M3s. And you guys know how that goes. So I had to pick up the camera just in case something goes down. Yo, he just got behind me. Yo, guys, I cannot make up my life. He's behind me.
No Diddy though.
Let me see something real quick. Yo, this man's trying to follow me. But yeah, I'm gonna just chill out a bit because I do just want to chill, you know. If he wants to run it, catch up to me.
2 seconds later.
Yo, he is catching up. You guys see him? Yo, that shit looks clean. Quiet and Yo, that shit fire, bro. We had a bit of fun until traffic. Wait, why is there traffic on this highway? That's kind of strange. M3 sounds fire. That shit sounds what? Yo, I'm gonna be honest. I think this might be the best sounding M3. Like, all jokes aside, like, yo, that, bro. And I'm pretty sure it's a V8. Actually, I know it's a V8 in there. It just sounds nasty. What? That thing sounds impeccable. It just sounds spiffy. That was quite an interesting drive. But anyways, guys, we are here. The coffee shop. I'm just playing. The coffee shop is actually this way. This is Best Buy. But yeah, so I'm gonna go grab some coffee. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be honest, right? I really don't see any actual coffee shops. So I'm gonna try to get coffee from Gongcha. I don't know if that's a thing, but it's about to be a thing today. Yeah. Coffee from Gongcha. I mean, I think it is a thing because they do sell bubble tea, sometimes coffee. I don't know. I'm gonna find out anyways. Early morning Gongcha. Ha. That's such a way to go. Oh shit. How early am I? Oh shit. Yo guys. Yo guys, I came a bit too early. They open at 11:30. It's 11:19, so we wait 10 minutes. All right guys, it's 11:36. You guys know what time it is. It's go time. Kind of feels like I did this walk already, but you know, second time's the charm, hopefully. Second time's the charm, 11:30. Hey, it's open. Okay. Guys, we got the package, coffee, tea, and boba. Eesh. Fun fact, guys, I've never had a coffee milk tea before. First time for everything, right? I was trying to find a spot to enjoy my coffee, but I had to park here, specifically in this parking spot for a specific reason, because if I tilt over to the left just a tiny bit, I mean, the right, yeah, you guys see that? Yeah, that's the LC 500. What? So you guys know how to kind of park, but I'm gonna move my spot now, but it's crazy. LC 500, this shit looks clean. I think it's a convertible. No, damn. So the LC 500, yo, I'm gonna be honest. That car is a masterpiece. I mean, the RCF is also a masterpiece, but like, damn. Oh no! Oh man, I just had one job. Sheesh, one job. Oh shit, guys, that's the LC 500. Anyways.